The Leica DISTO D5 is excellent for distance measurements in outdoor areas, even in bright sunshine and over long distances. It has a range of up to 200 meters. With the digital point finder, you can measure up to 40 times further than you can see the laser dot with the naked eye in bright sunlight. The target appears clearly and distinctly on the high-contrast display with IPS technology. The Leica FTA 360 tripod adapter with fine adjustment enables precise aiming. The contactless triggering of the measurement by a simple gesture prevents the device from being moved during the process, and therefore guarantees a precise measurement to the desired target point. The position of the multifunctional end piece is automatically detected and allows flexible use. Measurement functions such as Smart Horizontal Mode ensure that even challenging measurement tasks can be solved. For keyboard mode, you can connect the Leica DISTO D5 via Bluetooth and send measured values to any program. Integrated lithium-ion batteries ensure an environmentally friendly and long-lasting energy supply. The Leica DISTO Plan app, together with the function Smart Room, simplifies digital documentation and thus supports an error-free workflow. Leica DISTO D5 make measuring easier. Use the original.